So we're just gonna get right into it, and yeah, so we're gonna do the TGV deletes, and then the inlet will go in, and then the intake manifold goes on top, and then we can start plumbing some fuel lines in the harness. Just a quick update of where we're at right now. So the harness is back on, TGV housings are in, injectors are on, fuel rails are in, everything's bolted down. So now I'm gonna finish making the last couple connections on this side. Then we can drop the intake manifold on. A couple big differences that you guys might notice of the manifolds. This is the shaved one, and that's a factory one. As you guys can see, I shaved and cut the top of this one off that normally would have had that guy on there, the top compartment, as well as I didn't need a lot of the fittings to hold various things like the factory inlet or any of that on, so I was able to shave and delete a lot of that. I got rid of all the casting marks. It was pretty straightforward as far as just smoothing everything out. Then thankfully Joe over at Prodigy was kind enough to kind of help me out a little bit in the sense of how to prep, where to leave off for him, so that way when he got the manifold it was a lot less work for him on his end, and ultimately just came out with a better product. Biggest reason was when I was bolting the Aluminati TGV Deletes onto my old manifold with all the grime and crap on it, I kind of looked at it and was like, can't really do that. So to complement the TGV Deletes a little bit nicer, it's powder coated as well as shaved. It just so it looks a little bit nicer. Just a little way to complement the TGV Deletes, because again, to run the factory crappy looking manifold on there, it was kind of like an insult. So you're welcome, Matt, and thank you, Matt.
Balakiela, Nakada.